We have endometriosis lines.
Those are braided. It's like easier way to say that.
Okay. In 5,
Oh my God.
4,
Watch it not even run.
3. I should keep my foot to the floor when it starts. 2, 1.
Just started already.
The ignition is on. Now I will turn it the rest of the way in 5, 4,
Can't even get out.
3, 2,
Dude.
1.5.
Wait.
Point 1. I'm rotating the key to the second accessory position. I'm gonna begin applying pressure to the key. Point 9.
Oh.
They ain't spinning.
It runs.
None of them are spinning.
They're not supposed to yet.
I hear them sucking in air.
Yeah.
It's under load.
Oh, we got one. It's trying.
They're spinning. He said they're spinning, yeah. You can hear it. Look, it's making boost.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the smoke.
Oh my god. We made like 15 PSI in